Hello my friends, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a great time whatever you do. I'm back with another video today after taking a little break once again. Why not? So this time I went with my family for a little trip to Scotland. Stay in a wonderful place on top of the hills over the Irish Sea. Beautiful, absolutely amazing place. Had a lots of walk, lots of good food, lots of whiskey. And lots of thinking, because you know the previous two episodes it was on me taking on some old fashions, trying to find some new templates and new ideas for this wonderful kind of a cocktail, or let's put it this wonderful template for a cocktail. So today, no difference. We are going to make today a fantastic tequila old fashioned with two homemade ingredients and obviously interesting tequila, not just any tequila, but a very interesting one. So my lovely friends, if you're ready for some shakes, tears and sips, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. But let's go make a wonderful tequila old fashioned now. Before we go in the ingredients, I'm just gonna tell you something really quickly. Bear with me please. If you don't want to listen to this update, check the timestamp on the bottom and just jump to the cocktail. But I've been busy working on my website to update and give you some new experience, which is combined mixology hacks and just shake or stir on one website. And of course my upcoming courses and classes will be there. There is one at the moment which is an old class for cocktail photography, but still very relevant. So if you want to check it out, make sure you check justshakeorstir.com because it's on a quite fairly nice discounted price. Okay, second update. Bartender's Lounge community still exists, still growing, and I still waiting for you. If you want to kind of connect with the other mixologists, bartenders, home enthusiasts, and you want to share your recipes or ask questions or get in touch with me at any time on a chat, or just basically be in community which is care about each other and likes to share wonderful things about the bartending and hospitality and recipes, make sure you join. Link is in the description. It's absolutely free to join. All you need is just to sign up. Simple as that. And the final update, Patreon is back, but it's back basically and purely for support. Since I'm supporting this community and all my channels, the Patreon is basically there for all of you who wants to support me and help me keep everything up to date and keep it as free as possible. So that's your personal choice. There's no commitment here. For me, it's enough you watching, subscribing, liking, and sharing. But if you want to join and give a little more support, Patreon is the place. And again, link is in the description. So now, let's go see what is the ingredients for this wonderful tequila old fashioned. Okay, I mentioned it's gonna be an interesting tequila, and it's one which I had quite a while on the shelves, and it's just staying there. And it's every time I want to go to it, I'm like, all I can do is probably just some lovely tropical cocktails. Never kind of crossed my mind I can do old fashioned with it. So first ingredient, our Rooster Rojo smoked pineapple tequila. Absolutely beautiful liquid. Fantastic to sip on its own or in tropical cocktails, but of course a beautiful way for me to implement it in the old fashioned, and I can't wait to share this with you. The next ingredient is homemade, so I've just made it today, by the way. So if you want to learn how to make it, make sure you check my second channel, Mixology Hacks. But here we go, we have the Persimmon Syrup. Yes, this is a wonderful homemade Persimmon Syrup. While everybody making spiced pumpkin, I decided to go with the persimmons because they're a wonderful fruit and they are absolutely delicious to make syrups for the cocktails. However, this syrup is made with a little bit of rum, some spices, honey. Quite interesting, not your usual syrup. So if you want to learn how to make it, make sure you check Mixology Hacks. And final ingredient, a rapid orange bitter. Again, a few weeks ago I did on Mixology Hacks a video to show you how to make rapid orange bitters at home for less than 30 minutes. So you have wonderful homemade bitters, orange bitters, and you stop buying any bitters. You just make your own. So this is what's happening today. 3 ingredients, wonderful template old fashioned based on a smoked pineapple tequila from Rooster Rojo. So if you're ready, my lovely friends, I think it's time to stir some delicious old fashioned. So this is gonna be a little bit boozy old-fashioned because I want the center stage taken by the tequila, and of course I want a little bit more of it because it's a smoked pineapple, have this kind of a funky fruitiness in it, a little smoke. It will be absolutely fantastic combined with other ingredients. So we are using 2.5 ounces or 75 milliliters of the lovely Roster Rojo tequila. Full jigger, absolutely fantastic. Okay, for the syrup and the sweetener, just a 15 ml or a half an ounce of our Persimmon Syrup. It's a very nice dark color. It's gonna change a little bit old-fashioned. It won't be that clear like you want to be, but I'm okay with that. It's homemade, it's delicious, it's unique. It's gonna bring fabulous flavor to the cocktail. And finally, our homemade orange bitters. This is very bittery, so because I use pipette, I'm gonna use around, I don't know, maybe just 5-6 drops, but if you use a dasher, just a dash, 2 maximum, it's enough. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna put 8, yeah, more than enough. Oh, smells beautiful, already smells beautiful. I can't wait to dive in this. Okay, and this is it. It's very easy, very simple. For the ice, I'm gonna go a little bit kind of a funky today. When I do a clear ice, that's what it's left, and I don't throw it because this way I can use it in cocktails in a big chunk instead of using like small ice cubes which melt really quickly. I'm just gonna use a big piece of the ice cubes, give it a quick chill of the cocktail, and of course, enjoy a wonderful old-fashioned. So, give it a good stir. Of course, it needs around 20-30 revolutions or just until the glass is steamed from outside and you have a wonderful chill cocktail before you serve on a beautiful large ice cube and garnish your cocktail. And while I'm stirring, my lovely friends, don't forget to click this subscribe button, the like button if you like what you see, and of course, do me a favor, leave a comment, tell me what you think about the recipe, or if you have any other ideas, or maybe you had some wonderful tequila old-fashioned somewhere around the world and you want to share it with everybody else who's watching the video. So go for it. Don't be shy, it'll take you 2 seconds, okay? So we are ready here. Oh, fantastic. The glass is steamed from outside. There you go. I need my beautiful strainer and a large cube of ice, as always. Or, do me a favor, fill up your glass with ice, okay? There you go. Oh, look at that beautiful, beautiful color. For a garnish, we are going away from any orange, lemon peels, grapefruit peels, anything like that. And it will be a wonderful maraschino cherry. Why not? Since we're doing a totally different template and a version of old-fashioned, and we're having all these beautiful persimmon syrup and a homemade orange bitters and a smoked pineapple tequila, we're gonna change the garnish as well. And this, my lovely friends, is the beautiful Tequila Old Fashioned. No name. Do you wanna give it a name? It's up to you. If you wanna give it a name, drop a comment down below and give it a name, okay? You have smoked pineapple tequila, you have persimmon syrups, you have homemade orange bitters. If you come up with some funky name or something interesting, I'll take it. For now, I'm just gonna stick to the Tequila Old Fashioned and I'm gonna say cheers. Oh, yeah, fantastic. See you next time.